Welcome to urban living at its finest in this gorgeous penthouse residence. Step inside the sophisticated entry to find sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, illuminating the open floor plan. A true chef's kitchen with commercial-grade appliances, granite countertops, and butler's pantry is perfect for hosting guests. The large dining room flows seamlessly to the living area, large enough even for a grand piano, and an ideal setting for gatherings and intimate dinners alike. Two glass terraces, accessed through the living room or primary, overlook the private park. A serenely lavish primary suite with dual vanities, freestanding Victoria and Albert tub, and huge walk-in steam shower, plus custom closets, provide a peaceful retreat. Two additional bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms offer plenty of room for guests. One park at Riverfront offers a rare opportunity to experience luxury and convenience in one of Denver's most desirable locations. This is the one you've been waiting for, the only forever unobstructed view of Union Station.